This is a edge bander, or I'm sorry, edge polisher. So it's got this buffing wheel here, and the buffing wheel's got a inlet for, you know, if you were to run a dust collector. And then basically that all it is, it's just a polishing wheel hooked up to a 220 motor, and then this is on a slide. Just getting bound up by this right now. But this is on a slide, and it goes back and forth on these rails, and these rails look like they're somewhat adjustable. But I'll let you see what else it can do. So this controls, it's just hooked up to shop area here. But this controls this. You can see that comes down. And there's actually 3 of these, so there's one here, and I'll get you a measurement on this, but unfortunately, I don't have a tape measure at the moment. I'll put this on pause. Okay, so I've got a tape measure. It's like the working size of this table is about 25. That's from right there to right there. And the depth on this table is 16 and a half. And then it looks like you got some spread here. I don't know why it's got so much, but whatever. There's also, where this piston is, there's actually another one of these that goes down. It works, it's here, but it's just missing the, the thing that holds it basically. And then the only other part of this is this spinning wheel, which you push this on button, it spins. And then they had this, looks like rouge. Imagine that's what you do. And then you would, slide it across, and it would polish the edge. That's it. It's just a table. That's the unit. If you got questions or concerns, let me know. Otherwise, thank you. Oh, here, I forgot to mention, this is 220 single phase. So it's hooked up to 220 single phase right now. But I'll show you the back. Just a table. It's pretty heavy though. This is kind of like a solid steel table. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.